Hi guys, it's Nicola with Cherry Blossoms Beauty. Today we're doing a quick video just to show you guys some of the things that I utilize while I do a braid. It helps to make the braiding process go smooth and faster. As you guys can see, today I'm using one of our wristbands, which you can find on our website at mycherryblossoms.com. So for this client, we're actually doing some knotless braids, and as you can see, I'm actually pre-sectioning the hair, which makes the process go seamless. For tips and tricks on how to make the braiding process go faster, you can visit us on YouTube, subscribe to our channel, or you can visit our website at mycherryblossoms.com and visit our tutorial page. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching our video, and I hope you subscribe for more tips and tricks on how to care for your hair seamlessly.